Hey, this is Jim King with King Piers out here in Independence, checking up on this Independence project we got going on. We've had it going on for a few weeks now. We've fought all kinds of weather, snow, ice, rain, and now we've got all of our holes excavated. Underneath the footing is shored out. We've already poured our first pour of concrete on our King Pier 1s. King Pier 2 holes are ready. Today's the day of the lift, so I'm out here. I'm going to supervise that, and I'll have another video coming here shortly. If anybody has any foundation issues, you're more than welcome to call me. My number is 816-521-8915. If you have a question about your foundation, anything you're unsure of, give me a call. It's free, and that's kind of a service nobody else you can get anywhere else. We're here to help people, and if I can answer a question and help you out, something you can do yourself, cool. If not, you can call our office at 816-288-4373. You can talk to my son, Matthew King, and he'll take down your information and set up a time for me to come out and take a look at your foundation. I'll set up a laser level, and I'll tell you where it's dropped and where it's not dropped, and I'll give you the real scoop on it. So stay tuned as I get out of my vehicle here and take a look around, see what we got going on. But for all your foundation piering needs, give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on YouTube. We have a pretty good following on YouTube. Get in there and subscribe. You can also check us out on Facebook. So we have a lot of followers there as well. You can check all of our videos out. They're live videos. So no fake news here. For the best foundation piering for your home, the King Pier system has proven to be the best. So give us a call. Thank you.